Hello everyone, welcome to another video about SIGHT-EDUPLUS. Today's video is going to be about SIGHT-EDUPLUS CBT. With SIGHT-EDUPLUS CBT, you can create CBT, computer-based tests for your employees, potential employees, students, potential students, and just anybody. So you can test them, test their knowledge. So to do this, to use SIGHT-EDUPLUS CBT, you go to SIGHT-EDUPLUS.com, you go to CBT, then you put in the CBT title. So you select the CBT types. So inside the plus we have four CBT types. The standard, which is like a regular computer-based test, but this one is more powerful. Live CBT is, let's say you want to be in control of the CBT live and the likes. Then recorded CBT is for you want the system to record the live footage of the CBT. Then you can watch the CBT, the live footage later. Then AI monitor CBT. So instead of you monitoring live CBT, like in the case of live CBT, you can use the SIGHT-EDUPLUS AI built-in AI feature to help you monitor the CBT. So then you set the instruction. So you can set the instruction to your CBT test here. Then the audience type is either email list or institution. So if you have institution in SIGHT-EDUPLUS, you can select the institution. But if you don't, you can select email list where you can put the emails. Now, please take note, after putting any email, always press the space bar. So always press the space bar so that the email will be highlighted. Then you select the time zone in which the CBT takers will be able to take the CBT. Then you can select the start date, the end date, the start time, and the end time. So what the system does is that CBT takers cannot take the CBT or the start date and after the end date. So then the next thing is the timing type. So this CBT is highly customizable. So general time means you will just have one time for the entire CBT. Then time per section. So you can have multiple question categories, which you can select here. So you can select up to 4 question categories. So you can actually set each category to have its own time, and also you can also set each question to have its own time. So you can only select one timing type at a time. So the first one is general time, one time for everything. Second one is time per section, which means let's say you have AWS, you have programming. So programming can have its own time, AWS exam can have its own time. Then time per question is for each question we have its own time. Then the next input is you can allow a candidate to be able to re-answer a question. So let's say if they move from one question to another, they can actually go back to the previous question. But if you unclick this, when they move from one question to another, they cannot go back. Allow candidate to see their results. So you can set this if you want to show the result to the user after the user finishes the exam. So this for an analytics purpose. So you can set the pass mark, and by default it is 40, but you can set your own pass mark and the likes. Then the CBT logo URL. So you can upload your own custom URL for the CBT. Then you can add payment link. So in case you want CBT takers or candidates to pay before taking the CBT, you can add the payment link. Then if you want them to be able to fill a form before taking the CBT, you can also attach a form. So when you have done that, you click create CBT and your CBT will be created. Thank you very much.